Good evening again, guys. So it is now 9:57. I just unboxed these, so you will see it in a different video. So now I'm going to unbox my LS2 Explorer helmet. So this is actually the carbon fiber version. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so one reason why I went with the LS2 because my wife has been using this for the past 2 years, I think. Bro, she non-stop talk about how comfortable this helmet is and how nice the inner padding quality is. So I am a big AGV and a KYT fan. That's actually cheaper than this one, but these are way expensive. So this is like 32K, and I have my Pista upstairs, and this is what I have been rocking for my adventure ride. I don't like using this one on my ZX6R because of the weird shape. When I do a full tuck, this thing keeps hitting my hump in the jacket, and then it keeps pushing the helmet down. So because of that, I am using this one for adventure. I actually bought this just to collect because I love this design. I missed out on the Pista, and I didn't want to just collect a freaking 90K helmet and just put it in a box. So I bought this one, so it looks like a replica. So, and the other thing is now I need to transfer all this, remove all this to that helmet. So I will do that offline. So because she has been raving about LS2, how quality the LS2 helmet is, I actually wanted to test it myself, and it's full carbon fiber because I have touched this and I have lifted it. This helmet is lighter than my Pista, guys. No, I'm not lying. So she stopped using this because I dropped it. I dropped it from really high, and it hit on an edge. I feel bad for her though because of that. She bought this one because I was using AGV, so she switched to AGV as well. But she still uses this. I don't think it has any damage. We got it checked. It's just a cosmetic scratch, no cracks or anything. When you're pressing it, you don't feel any cracks. So yeah, because of that, I bought this LS2 so I can test it out. This is my first time using LS2. I've always been a AGV guy. I've always used AGV, so kinda AGV helmets are really expensive these days, and I need to look into not wasting money. But yeah, so because the other thing is that helmet is really it gets really hot because it's a full covered helmet, and during afternoon rides the sun just shines on your face directly. So because of that, I wanted a helmet with a peak. If I can get this out. Okay, sorry guys, there you go, helmet's out. It also came with a nice bag too. I might use this on my track days for my Pista. Maybe. Yeah, it's a good bag. So it comes with add-ons. So if you want to remove the peak, they gave more covers so you can use it like a weird helmet, and they also gave anti-fog pin lock. I don't think this is the same pin lock that you get for AGV brand. It might be a LS2 version, so I might not use it for now. I want to test it because I want to use goggles or whatever that I can use it for really like hot summer rides, afternoon rides. So I'm sorry, I'm using one hand in here. I really need a tripod or something. Let me open that more. Ooh, there you go. Wow. Yeah, the quality is so good. Yeah, I feel like this is way qualitier than my Pista, man. I'm telling you. Not sponsored. I have bought this from my own money. So yeah. So I will do a full review on this helmet. Yeah, this thing is way lighter though. Yeah, because this is FIM for a race helmet, right? Way lighter than that. That thing is the heaviest out of all my helmets. That's the next one, and then the Pista is the lightest, and now this is my other lightest helmet that I have. Do they have the weight here? Oh, there you go. Here you go. It says 1450 grams, plus or minus. I think that's what it says. How much is this? Yeah, it's 1580 plus 50 plus minus 50. Yeah, with these add-ons, with the GoPro add-on, oh my lord, it is not. Let me actually put it on my head. I will be back. Okay, I think we are back, and this is the helmet, and let me remove that. I don't need this, and I don't have a tripod yet, but I am working on getting one. So this also has the ability to put your goggle straps. So so you see the path here, so the goggle straps will stay here, or you can actually put it here. You can do it any way you want, either from the bottom or from the top. So yeah, let me put it on. Guys, it looks so massive and so comfortable. The padding's way comfy than my wow. I don't think you guys can hear me properly, but wow, this thing hugs your face. Oh, it has the D-ring system, so yeah. So moving forward, I think I might not use the baklava to even do long rides, because I want to be able to breathe. That's why I love this nose setup. Oh, dude, this thing's awesome, man. Yeah. So it locks also. I hope you guys can hear me. So yeah, it locks well, and then you have the release mechanism here, and then you also have the inner the secondary visor. It's tinted. Yeah, so my only concern is it going to mist? So yeah, I don't think I'll use the inner visor that much, but this is what I'm going to use. Oh my god, that sun visor, it's blocking my lights now. This is what I've been missing, because if not, I've been looking at the sun. I've been using like more glasses, I think this might be the helmet. My god, it's so light. The next one, what I'll need to figure out is how is it going to buffer with the wind. So when I'm on the highway, is it going to be like wind buffeting? I'll let you know in my next video when I test it. Okay guys, so this is the helmet. I hope you guys like my video. Please give me a like and give me a sub, and leave a comment on whatever products you want me to try. I will try them, but it will take time because I'm going to use my own money to buy them. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching again. You guys take care. Oh my god. So after I did the first impression, I went to try and install my Cardo, the Backtalk Edge. Bro, I honestly forgot to check if you can install these. So you can install them without a problem, but there is no space to actually install the speakers, so there is no actual cutouts. So what I did was I got one of my old medicine bottles, and I actually kept pressing it to make a proper cutout. So I didn't want to use like a knife or a cutter knife to actually cut it. So what I did was I removed all the paddings, everything completely off, and I installed it. Now you see it's actually not interfering with my ears anymore. It's actually flat with the, you see the the cap, right? So it fits inside now. So what I did was I pressed the foam. uh I know you guys can't see it, I'm so sorry. It's actually like 12 a.m. right now in the midnight. I was still trying to figure out how to do this because I didn't want to return it. I love this helmet in every way. It is a perfect helmet for the price. So I think this is why the LS2 is not that popular among most people, because of this biggest issue. Because I was like, oh no, there is no cutout. How am I going to install it? I was just trying to do YouTube videos. Even on YouTube, there is not a single video anyone talking about you can't install a speaker, because I'm using the newer version of the Cardo Edge. This is not the Pro, this is the Cardo Edge, the Pactalk Duo. So I'll show it one more time. So it is actually now sitting in, thanks to my medicine bottle. It's perfectly flushed. Oh my god, my hands are hurting after all this fitting. So now I need to get a proper GoPro chin mount. All the mics, everything, the speakers, everything is fit. So I think this is one of the biggest problems these helmets have. I found one. So be aware, guys, if you're buying a LS2 Explorer helmet, you will not be able to fit your Cardos. So unfortunately, that was almost a deal breaker for me. I was thinking from my butt to come up with a idea. So that's the update. I am going to link it. I'm going to link this clip as well. So I like 2 hours it took me to figure out what I was going to do. I didn't want to cut it. I didn't want to cut it. If you cut it, it's more jank. But thanks to my bottle press method, I was able to press the foam way back in till the height of the speaker, because these are using the new JBL 44mm speakers. So the older version Cardos might fit with the thinner speaker, but this one's a bit thick. It was basically this thick speaker. So this is from my AGV helmet. I just sticked it there. So okay, so I wanted to I'm going to include it in this one because I paid for this helmet. Big issue, big issue. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching again. I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao ciao.
Don't be scared. Just look up.